Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone that looks like she wants a pixie. Very nice, very 90s inspired pixie look here for this one. So here we have someone, her hair is on the thinner side. It looks like the stylist decided to shake things up with this beautiful pixie. So here we have a makeover. Oh, she looks absolutely beautiful. The stylist did a gorgeous maroon auburn hair color here. Looks like a color refresh. And he was able to hide those thinning areas that she had in the crown. Beautifully done. So here we have someone with long hair, about mid-back length or so. Stylist chops the hair off. Oh, she's getting a pixie here. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, I love it. She looks absolutely gorgeous. So here we have someone with the mid-length hair. Looks like she's getting a bob. She has a gorgeous amount of sheen to her hair. Oh, wow, this is so cute. Another beautiful bob, perfect for her face shape. I love how she can play around with the bangs there. And her bob it just looks so thick and full, so pretty. So here we have someone with a pixie who decided to go shorter, more of a boy cut pixie style, and she also went darker. So chic and fun. So here we have someone with mid-length hair. The stylist chops the hair off into a bob. Gorgeous classic bob makeover. So here we have someone, she has an undercut style going here. I love how long the bangs are in the front, really giving that nice asymmetrical shape. And of course, she has a lot of options when it comes to styling. So the stylist chops the hair off into a bob. Ooh, this one comes just around the shoulders. I love the amount of volume that this has. Now, this is one of my favorite long to short transformations. She has this beautiful ginger hair, and just when we thought she was going to get a bob, she decides to go even shorter with a pixie. So cute, and I love that color. So here we have someone also rocking a reddish brown copper colored hair. And it looks like she wants to go shorter with a pixie. Well, she already has a pixie, but I guess she's going with a shorter variation. More of a face framing look. And she does decide to keep that color. Oh, that is so cute, especially with the color. Very nice. So here we have someone rocking out a wig who decided to switch it up with her natural curls in the form of a tapered cut. Beautiful. Oh, we got some color changes here, so he gives her some options. Oh, beautiful chocolate mini bob style. I love the way he did the bangs. Very cute. And then we leave off today's video with this gorgeous ginger pixie. I hope that you guys have enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyles that were featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.